Alright, here's the tomatoes we're going to be working with. They're getting to be pretty tall. As you can see, I've raked in, I'm out of breath, raked in my compost, got a nice layer, and then I've gone down and I found 9 of these tomato cages that are still in pretty good shape. So that's what I'm going to use. It'll give me 9 here. A lot of people would spread them out more, but I hate to say it, normally I would have them 2 across instead of just 9. So I've got my labels made. These are the really cheap lines from Walmart cut. Used one of the markers, and then I've had good success with the marker holding the label, printed label information. If I put packing tape on it, I know, sounds strange, but so you can see I got it covered with packing tape. So we'll toss down a Princess Yum Yum there. Carolina Gold. A second Carolina Gold. Always had good luck with these Floridines. Boy, where the tape overlaps, you end up with them stuck together. There's a Floridine, another Floridine. A really good little inch and a quarter tomato, cut in half or quarter for salads, is a Jolly. We've grown them for quite a few years. Really liked them. And we're going to end up my 9 here with a couple of Better Bush. So I was hoping for 10. I got another Princess Yum Yum, but that one will have to wait for another spot. So we'll get it set up and then we'll start getting these planted. We're going to start down here with Princess Yum Yum. Label in. First one, Carolina Gold. As you can see, nice root growth, nice plants. Started these in January, inside. Did the seeds on paper towels. Okay, next Carolina Gold. I don't do them a lot deeper, I do them a little bit deeper. I don't think a lot deeper accomplishes anything since they're a shallow rooted plant. The Floridine. Nope. Label in. Then I'll go through and trim anybody right down on the surface. That, give them a good watering in, and the first ones are in.